Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. I'm Charlie from Airkey. Today I will be presenting an ISO A modular cleanroom, tailored for high precision instrument industry and designed to meet GMP and ISO 14644 regulations. At present, this modular cleanroom is pre-assembled at our factory to test all the functions are in order before shipment. As you can see, the entire structure is designed self-standing without ceiling suspension. The support frame is aluminum alloy profile, and acrylic wall panel is purified tab to make cleanroom use. Here is the control panel of this cleanroom. You can adjust the air velocity of the FFU here. It has 3-step control, and LED lighting switch on and off. The UV lamp is also optional. Here is the differential pressure gauge to monitor pressure status inside the cleanroom. In the front part of this modular cleanroom, there are 2 separate airlocks before entering the critical production area. The first airlock, the change room, serves as personal pass-through. The left airlock is equipped with a cargo air shower, designed for large equipment transport, preventing from cross-contamination. Let's get into the change room and take a look. Now we are in the change room. There are 2 double doors with electrical interlock. When one door is open, the other cannot be opened at once. The staff can change clean clothes and shoes before entering the production area. Please look up. There are 4 FFUs equivalent A class ISO in this production area, which strictly comply with GMP standards based on air change per hour as calculated. Also, they can work together with HVAC system to maintain temperature and humidity level. We provide 5 power outlets for this cleanroom. The power and the tap can be designed as requested. Apart from those 2 double doors, there is an emergency door with 5 locks at the back. It's only for emergency exit. The above introduction of this cleanroom is over. See you in the next project. Bye bye.